morning to all. Welcome back to our maths class. From today's class, we are going to learn identifying center, radius and diameter of the circle. Then how to construct the circle by using compass. Then find the radius and diameter of the circle. These three things are we are going to learn from today's class. Let's move on to the lesson. Now let's see. Identify the center and radius and diameter. First, a circle is a perfectly round in shape. Okay, so a circle is a perfectly round in shape. It has no sides and no diagonals. It has this O is the center of the circle. Can you see the O here? Yes, this O is the center of the circle. Okay, now the distance from this center to each of these points A, B, C, D, E. So the distance from the center to each of these points is called radius of the circle. So this is one radius, radius and radius of the circle. So here all the radius are equal in length. Okay, here all the radius are equal in length. So that's what OA equal OB equal OC equal OD equal OE. So all the radius are equal in length here. So OA equal to 5 cm means OB, OC, OD, OE. This all distance also 5 cm only. Now let's see the diameter. See, a line segment passes through the center point. So AB only passes through the center of the circle. So AB is known as diameter of the circle. Okay. Then LM XY line segment are chord. 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 Okay. Then which line segment is longest? Yes. AB is the longest line. So this line is the longest chord of a circle. So AB is a longest chord. Longest chord of a circle. So always in a circle, the longest chord is diameter only. The longest chord is what? Diameter. Okay. So here the radius is half of the diameter. So if you want to find the radius means that is half of the diameter is known as radius. Okay, so half of the radius is half of the diameter is called radius. See, this is the diameter. So half of the diameter. See, if you draw a line in center correctly, this half part is known as radius. Okay, so twice a radius is diameter, half of the diameter is radius. Children, now I am going to teach you how to construct a circle using compass. See, first we have to take a compass and fix the pencil in it. Okay, see, this part is there, no? This part you can rotate so that the pencil can fix tightly. Okay, after fixing the pencil, you have to measure the centimeter. See, our first centimeter is 5.5 centimeter. The given centimeter for us, you have to measure the centimeter now. See, you have small scale with you, no? Take a small scale. In our small scale, we have 15 centimeter. Okay, from 0 to we have 15 centimeter. Now our measurement is 5.5 centimeter. Okay, can you see the number here, children? Yes, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, what is 5.5 centimeter? 5.5 centimeter is nothing but it's a long line between the 5 and 6. See, can you see the long line here in middle of the 5 and 6 centimeter? Yes, this long line is 5.5 centimeter. So you keep your compass needle in 0 centimeter. Then move the compass till you reach the 5.5 centimeter. See, now I reached the 5.5 centimeter, children. Now you have to take a compass, then keep your compass needle on a paper. See, now I am keeping the compass here. See, you have to move the pencil around it with any direction. You can move the pencil in right side or left side. Now I am doing the right hand side. Okay, see, from here I am starting moving. Without taking the compass, you have to move the pencil around it till you reach the starting point. You have to move. See, now I reached my starting point. Can you see the circle here, children? Yes, this is only perfect circle. See, in center you can see one mark here. So you keep one dot here. That is center point. Okay, you have to put O here. From if you want to find out the measurement whether the circle is correct or not, you have to measure the radius. Okay, from center point to any of the side is known as radius. Okay, now I drawn a one half line here. This line is known as radius of the circle, radius. Now you write radius here, then you have to write 5.5 centimeter. Children, let's do the another circle. Okay, the centimeter is 6.8 centimeter. Okay, see, take the compass and fix the pencil in it. Then take a ruler. Using ruler only you have to measure the centimeter. 6.8 centimeter. See, where is 6 here? Yes, here 6 is there. Then what is 6.8 centimeter? Yes, between the 6 and 7 we have 9 lines. Okay, can you see the lines, small lines? You have to count the lines now. After the 6 centimeter, a very small line is there. That line only you have to count from 1, 2, 3, 4. The long line, the big line is 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, likewise you have to count the small lines. Okay, so here you have 8. So 6.8. Now take a correct measurement. 6.8 centimeter. So after that you keep your needle on a paper. Keep your compass needle on a paper. Then you move the pencil around it in any direction. See, I am moving till you reach the starting point. You have to move your pencil. See, now I reached my starting point. So now I got a circle here. Okay, can you see a circle here, children? Yes, this center point is O. From the center point you have to draw a line to the circle so that we can measure the centimeter correctly. 6.8 centimeter. It's a radius of a circle. See, you have to measure it. Yes, we have correct measurement here. So that likewise you have to draw a circle, children. I hope you understood now. Okay, children, now find the diameter. The given radius 5 centimeter here. Using this radius only we are going to find out the diameter of the circle. See, in a circle, a line segment passing through the center point only known as diameter of the circle. Okay, the half of the diameter only called radius. Okay, now we are going to find out the diameter here. So radius is 5 centimeter. The given radius is 5 centimeter. So the diameter is twice a radius is only called diameter. So twice a radius is known as diameter. See, first you have to know the formula. If you want to find out the diameter, the formula is 2 into radius. 2 into radius. Diameter equal to 2 into radius. See, 2 into, what is the radius here? Yes, 5 centimeter. So this is very easy, children. See, if you multiply, the formula of diameter is 2 into radius. Okay, see, I am writing 2 here, then into, what is the radius here? Yes, 5 centimeter. Okay, so now you have to say 5 table 2 times. So 5 1 is 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10 centimeter. So if you multiply the radius with 2 means you will get the diameter of the circle. So 10 centimeter is the diameter. The next one is find the radius. Okay, see, they given diameter 88 centimeter. Using this diameter we are going to find out the radius. See, in a circle this half part is called radius. Okay, this full line is known as diameter. Now we are going to divide into half part now. See, first the formula. Radius equal to diameter divided by 2. Before we saw that 2 into radius. To find the diameter, the formula is 2 into radius. To find a radius is, formula is what? Diameter divided by 2. So we are going to divide. Okay, what is the diameter here? Yes, 88 centimeter divided by 2. So you have to say 2 table till you get 8. Okay, say 2 table with me. 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Okay, so 4 2s are 8. Then again also 8 is there. So 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So 44 centimeter. So what is the radius? The radius is 44 centimeter. See, this full line is called diameter. So diameter is 88 centimeter, means half of the 88 centimeter is 44 centimeter. Children, did you understand this? Yes, very good. We are going to see the find the sides and perimeter. Okay, in a given square, all the sides are equal. See, they given 8 centimeter here. So all the 4 sides are 8 centimeter only. First, you have to find the sides of a square. Okay. So the formula of perimeter is adding the 4 sides. The formula of perimeter is nothing but adding the 4 sides. So PQ, you have to add plus symbol, then QS, then plus SR plus RP. This is the formula, children. Then you have to write the centimeter here. What is the centimeter of PQ? Yes, you can see here. PQ is 8 centimeter. So you have to write 8 centimeter here. Then plus, what is the centimeter of QS and SR RP? It's a same centimeter only because this is a square shape. So all the sides are equal in length. So you have to write 8 centimeter to all the sides. Plus 8 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. Now we have 4 times 8 centimeters here. Okay. So you have to say 8 table 4 times. Say 8 table. 8 1 is 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32. So 32 centimeter. What is the perimeter now? Perimeter equal to 32 centimeter. You have to write perimeter spelling here. Perimeter equal to, what is the answer? 32 centimeter. Okay, children, I will do one more sum for you. See, here what shape you can see here? Yes, it's a triangle shape. How many sides are there in a triangle? Yes, it has only 3 sides. X, Y, Z. So, what is the 3 sides, children? We are going to find out the sides now. Now tell me, X, Y is here one side. Then Y, Z is here second side. Then Z, X is here third side. What is perimeter? Perimeter is nothing but adding the sides of a figure. Adding the sides of a figure. Okay. Now here 3 sides are there. We are going to add the 3 sides now. See, what is the centimeter they given here? 7 centimeter. Each sides they given 7 centimeter. So you have to write 7 centimeter. First, what is the formula? xy plus yz plus zx. So I added 3 sides. Now write the centimeter. xy 7 centimeter plus yz 7 centimeter plus zx 7 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to add the 3 sides. Okay. Now say 7 table 3 times. 7 1 is 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. So what is the perimeter, children? Perimeter equal to 21 centimeter. Is it easy for you, children? Yes. Again I will do one more sum for you. You will see the another sum. See. A, B, C, D. 4 sides are given here and 4 different sides are there because the 4 sides are not equal in length. Okay, so the 4 different sides are there. We are going to find out the sides first. See, what are the 4 sides? AB. AB is here one side, then BC, then CD, then DA. These are the 4 sides. Okay. Now what is perimeter? As I said, you have to add the sides of a figure. Here we have 4 sides, so you have to add 4 sides. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Okay. So we have different 4 sides. So you have to write the centimeter here. What is the AB centimeter? AB is, can you see the number here? Yes. AB is 3 centimeter length. So 3 centimeter. Then BC. BC is 6 centimeter. Then CD is 8 centimeter. Then finally DA is 2 centimeter. Now we are going to add the 4 different sides. Okay. First, what is the centimeter here? 3. You have to keep 3 in your mind. Then next number is 6. Take 6 fingers. After the 3, you count, children. You also take a finger. Yes. After the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, we got 9. Okay, keep 9 in your mind and take again 8 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so we have 1 more centimeter here. So keep 17 in your mind and take 2 fingers. 17 after 18, 19. So the perimeter is what? 19 centimeter. You have to write perimeter spelling here. Perimeter equal to 19 centimeter. Okay, children, I hope you understood how to find the sides and perimeter.
Children, I will send the homework in WhatsApp. You check it and do the homework and send it to me.